Good morning, students. Today we are starting chapter number 3, that is the witches. The witches are the ladies who use magic, means like a magician. Firstly, I'll clear one thing. Magic has two sides. It may be good or bad also. So in this story we will discuss what type of magic is discussed here. It is good or bad. Let's start the reading of the chapter. Now that we have discussed about bad magicians, let's be a part of this storytelling session. The narrator's Norwegian grandmother tells the narrator, who is an 8-year-old boy, a tale that revolves around Norwegian witches, its black forests and icy mountains. Narrator is a person who is telling story, and his grandmother lives in Norway. It is a country. She tells the narrator a story. The narrator is an 8-year-old boy, and in this chapter the full story moves around Norwegian witches. Means the story moves around the ladies who will use magic in Norway. It's black forests and icy mountains. It was in Norway, after celebrating Christmas at my grandmother's place, while my father and mother and I were driving in icy weather just north of Oslo, that our car skidded off the road and went tumbling down into a rocky ravine. The story is in Norway country, and the narrator had celebrated Christmas at his grandmother's place. After celebrating Christmas, the narrator's father and mother, they were driving in icy weather. They were driving their car, and the weather was that time icy. They were that time in just north of Oslo. Oslo is place in Norway. Then their car skidded off the road. Skidded off means their car slid sideways. Means the driver had lost the control of the car, and their car just slids at the side of the road, and the car went tumbling down into a rocky ravine, and their car went into a deep narrow valley. Ravine means deep narrow valley. My parents were killed. At that time the narrator's parents were killed at the spot. I was firmly strapped to the back seat and received only a cut on the forehead. It means the narrator's parents were killed at that spot and he was saved. He had just a cut on his forehead. I went back in my grandmother's house with her arms around me tight, and both of us crying the whole night long. When after that accident the narrator went back to his grandmother's house, she put him in her arms tightly, and full night they cried. You will stay here with me, she said, and I will look after you. That time his grandmother said that now you will not go from there, you will stay with me and I will take care of you. Am I not going back to England? Now the narrator is asking from his grandmother that am I not going back? No, she said, I could never do that. Heaven shall take my soul, but Norway shall keep my bonds. It means that she said that heaven shall take my soul, that my soul can go anywhere, but my bonds means I will keep here for you. The very next day, in order that we might both try to forget our great sadness, my grandmother started telling me stories. She was a wonderful storyteller, and I was enthralled by everything she told me. After the accident, the next day, they wanted to forget that great sadness that they had seen. The narrator's grandmother started telling him stories, and she was a wonderful storyteller. Means she was very good in telling stories, and I was enthralled. Enthralled means I was very much interested by everything she told me. So till here we have read it, and tomorrow we will read next. Today I'll give you some hard words. You will write these hard words nicely in your fair notebook. Okay, thank you.